Friends, I hope you all are safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you English subject writing. So let's start. For prep class, write small cursive letters from A to Z. Here you have to write A like this, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Write missing vowels and consonant. There are 5 vowels in English alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. So which picture it is? This is star. Okay, S, T, A, R, star. Which picture it is? Lamp. L, A, M, P, lamp. Which picture it is? This is ball. Okay, B, A, double L, ball. This is kite. K, I, T, E, kite. Okay, mango. M, A, N, G, O, mango. This is pot. Okay, P, O, T, pot. Match the words to same sound. Here some sound and here also. We have to match same sound. Okay, P-O-T, pot. We have to match cot. Here soon. We have to match soon to noon. Okay, next one is home. Home is matched to foam. Next one is fox. We have to match here box. Fox to box. Okay, next one vote. We have to match here note. Next one is cook. We have to match cook to book. Circle the given vowels. As we all know that 5 vowels in alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. So we have circle vowels. Okay, N-U-T, nut. P-U-S-H, push. U is vowel in this. Stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. So a vowel is in this. Fit. F-I-T, fit. I is vowel. G-O, go. O is vowel here. Circle. I and E is vowel in this. Use of A and N. If word's first letter is consonant, so we have to use A, means a kite. A kite. If first letter is vowel, we have to use N. N. An apple. Okay, here is first letter is also vowel. So we have right here N. An umbrella. first letter is consonant, so we have to write here A rose. Here first letter is vowel, so we have to write here N ice cream. Here first letter is consonant, so we have to write here A bell. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so if thing is near you, so you have to say this. Okay, if thing is near to us, we have say this. This is a pot. Pot is near to the sentence. Okay, and flower is far from the sentence, so we have write here that. If thing is far from us, we can say that. Okay, that is a flower. Ball is near to the sentence, we have to write here this. This is a ball. Mango is far from the sentence, that's why we have to write here that, because thing is far from sentence. Okay, that is a mango. Star is also far from the sentence, so we have to write here that is a star. Okay, you have to write whole writing. I am only writing answers. Okay, umbrella is near to the sentence, so we have to write here this is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Answer the following questions. What is this? This is an apple. Okay, because it is near from the sentence, that's why we are writing here this. Okay, this is an apple. An apple. Full stop. You have to write question also and answer also. Okay, what is that? That is a glass. Okay, that is a glass, you can see. Full stop. What is this? This is kite. Okay, you have to write first letter should be capital. Write in good writing. Okay, this is a kite. Full stop. What is that? That is sun. Okay, that first letter should be capital. Write neat clean. That is sun. Full stop. Write myself. Okay, you have to write this complete writing. My name is, you have to write first of all your surname, then your name. Okay, for example, first letter should be capital. Sheikh. Leave little bit gap and write your name. Name first letter should be capital. Arhan. Sheikh Arhan. Okay. Next, my father name is, for example, first letter should be capital. Sheikh. Here is also first letter should be capital. Mudassir. Sheikh Mudassir. Okay. Next, my mother name is, here is also first letter should be capital. Sheikh first letter here also should be capital. Alia, A-L-I-Y-A, Alia. Okay. I am dash years old. You are in prep class, so you are 5 years old. Okay. If you are 6 year old, you have to write here 6 year. Okay. Next, I am studying in prep class. Okay. You are in prep class now, so you have to write here prep class. My school name is Kids, 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 IT. These letters should be capital, INT, Kids IT World. Okay. School, S also should be capital. Okay, then full stop. I live in dash, Aurangabad. You have to write here Aurangabad. Aurangabad. Full stop. So we have completed here our first unit English written portion for prep class. Do daily practice of writing at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.